Okay, Willow, you ready? Here we go. March 6th, 2025. Grand Canyon National Park, Mather Campground, and it's a total whiteout. This was not forecast. We were supposed to maybe get some rain and snow showers, but this is crazy. What do you think, Willow? Is this like home in Alaska? Yeah. Yep. And we have really good tires, but a two-wheel drive van, so I don't know about driving on this because this is the kind of wet, heavy, compactable snow that makes for really slippery driving. They have plowed the road, but it's covered again. We're at our 7-day limit for staying in the park, so we're gonna ask if we can stay longer or if we can get a room. There's a nice hotel within a mile of here. So we're just figuring out our options. One complicating factor is we're nearly out of propane, which is our heat source. And yeah, we don't want to push our luck here and be stuck or cold or whatever. We'll figure it out. It's all good. It is beautiful.